We are filming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you'll be doing a lot of editing and chopping because it's okay. I think it'll be alright.
It's fine.
Huh?
Yeah, it's fine.
Tight. Oh. Okay. Okay. No, I don't want to open these up. We're good. Nothing. This hinge isn't straight enough where it needs to be. Just straighten it out. Alright. Michelle, did you go into settings and set it to save to storage on your phone? Now that you put the SD card in there? Or you think it automatically did? Oh, I guess you'll
No,
know.
it automatically.
Okay. think the second slot going. Isn't there something? Evasive maneuvers.
Wait, so what time are you gonna take me to school?
What time are you supposed to be there?
7:50.
7:50?
At least by 7:50. A little bit before.
Okay. Well, I don't know then. I guess we're leaving at 7:30. You're getting an extra 15 minutes if it's worth it to you. Huh?
Okay.
Well, I mean, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we're gonna get started on the vertical stabilizer and the rudder. For those of you who don't know, vertical stabilizer, rudder. Alright, we're gonna need 3 of the hinges. Oh. Oops, wrong bag. Alright, I got 3 hinges. Take these ones out. Alright, I'm not going to pin these, so I'm actually going to poke a hole, get the little fat in there to pour the glue down. Get it to spread a little more. That'll help it out. I don't think the rudder needs that much torque. We're going to see which one lasts longer then, I guess. Alright. Didn't give me quite a good opening that I would have liked. You don't want to hold the wood, you want to split it. Now remember on this, because it's going to sit vertically, the pin that's hammered down should go up at the top, point up. This could slip through eventually over time, unless you crash before then. Let's hope that don't happen. Okay, I stick it all the way down, I'm pulling it back out a little bit, and then that way I'll cut a little of that ultra coat. Alright. This is where a little bit of speed's going to be helpful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put about 2 good drops on there. While you're watching, you get the idea. Alright. Alright, I'm going to apply some glue in there. Oh wow. Drops. Alright, it's looking pretty good. They all look pretty much on the same keel. Alright. Slots here. Next we're going to start working on the fuselage and putting some servos in, so that's going to get exciting because we're going to add some epoxy and some supports with some extra balsa and get ready for all the other modifications that are coming with the build. It'd be cool. Oh wow, I slipped that right down. Thank God that wasn't my hand. That would have been a bummer. Actually, I blew that pretty good, huh? Just do it so it don't cut too much. Alright. Right the middle of the noise, the tough one. Why you always give me the trouble? Okay. There. I'm going to push it all the way in. I'm going to push it all the way down. And I'm going to move it. And I'm going to bend it back out. Just put the glue on it. Okay, I've got a hold the monocoat away here, the ultra coat I should call it. You can get that from Horizon Hobby if you feel like changing the color. Tomorrow I'll be picking up the end number from the vinyl people out there in Plainfield. Ultimate Signs, I think, or something like that, right? Okay. You have to go back on this one. Little sliver behind there. So anyways, the end number, they're making a new end number because I want the end number. So does my son, because this plane's for my son. We want the end number to be the same end number as the plane I learned how to solo on. And that's the number he wants. And that's what we're going to put. Plus the plane's the same color, and I learned how to solo on a Cessna 152 21 years ago. So it's got some meaning. There we go. You got to do that quick, man. That glue's going to dry. Get your gap right. Now, since we can reduce our throw from our nose wheel deflection speed, I don't need more than that. I'm not going to do aerobatics, but this will be enough to get me out of a stall. Out of rudder deflection. Otherwise, it'll be good. So, got it? Looks pretty good. I like it. Yummy, yummy. How do you like it over there? Huh? It's about perfect. I think it can get any better. Okay, there we go. That's finished. To that point is my shelf. Ta-da! Alright. The door's laughing at me. Let's see if I put my lips on it. You think it'll stick, honey?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, then we'll get a million views. Be like, boom! Alright. I want to clear it out though. Oh, so tiny. There's a tiny hole. Okay. The next up on the project. Alright, we're going to put the fiberglass control horns in, and we're going to put those, we're going to mix fiberglass with those. After we get the control horns in, we're going to skip, obviously, installing a gas engine because we're going to be doing electric. And then we'll be skipping right into installing the fuselage servos. So, let's get back our stuff. Looking good. These will be our control horns. And the control horns are interesting because they're made out of like a Bakelite. It looks like the same material as circuit board, but it's a Bakelite. It's actually pretty good, lightweight. Looks pretty good. Looks like you got your glue is going to fit through under those holes. And yeah, she's just gonna pop right in there. So that looks pretty good. We're gonna have to change the color. We're gonna have to paint these white, or maybe some kind of a deflection color. Yeah, these fit nice. So we're gonna test fit them on everything, because when we mix the epoxy, we're gonna mix up enough to play with it all. You know, glue it all up. I'm gonna get crazy. I'm on the 5 hour. That doesn't make me crazy. It just makes me really active. Oh, look at them. All right, these hinges work well. I'm gonna have to get another. Oh, look at these banks. They work well for other uses. Okay, here we go. Funny joke. Get it, little mini bag.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, great. Oh, you love me. So don't forget to watch, because we're going to be putting on the YouTube the practices for the racing and stuff, the quadricopter racing. So check it out. Should be cool. Oh, did you get a shot of my berry air there?
Yeah.
Look good, right? It's really thin now.
It was beautiful.
Mommy says too. I got a little tushy. I got a little ash. Oh, that one is so nice. Hey, you cut the slot really short on that one. Unless they didn't give, there wasn't something different before that either. Interesting. We might have to open that up, or or otherwise we found a fault. There's little fault. Okay. They're tight. This one's got a little bit of excess wood in it. We're gonna have to clean that out. Ta-da. Give it a little blow. And a hoe. You can get a nice, good fit though. You don't want to squeeze all the glue out. You're going to hold your finger on the back side so you don't poke through it. In fact, we'll just go flat. Like that. You want tight. Really work it in. Okay. Yeah, it's a piece of hardwood too in there. It's not a real soft balsa. So, that's okay. It's good. It's better than being sloppy, you know? Nobody wants to throw the hot dog down the hallway. Alright, here we go. That was funny. That was very funny. Okay. That one fits good. This one, I think we're going to have to open. Have to open her up. It's our first time, Mom. Alright, let's see. Yeah. Need a little love. You gotta be gentle with these. With the tight ones, you know. Very gentle. Okay, like I said, be gentle. Looks good. Now we're gonna cut that one. So these look good. When we get the epoxy whipped up, we're ready to go. Once again, bend it over for the camera.
I'm gonna take a little break.
Okay, there we have it. They all fit good. I like it. Good tight fit. Those are gonna be nice. When they break though, they're not gonna rip off very much. You know, a lot of people would probably be like, "Oh, put the plastic in that screw in," but nah, that's gonna work really good. I shall like that. I would probably say, "Oh, those are gonna rip out." I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. Just need to put the one on the rudder. Should be the one on the rudder. And that one fit good. Okay. Excellent. Okay, we're ready for the epoxy.